In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis and Mailchimp to make your emails more engaging and fun. First, we'll begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. If you're planning to start from scratch, go ahead and create a new campaign. Otherwise, you can simply open an existing one to continue working on it. Once you're in the campaign builder, decide where you'd like to insert your emojis. They can spice up a subject line, inject some personality into the main body of your email, or even both. Decide the best place for them based on your audience and message. When you're ready to insert the emoji, click into the desired area of text and place your cursor precisely where you'd like the emoji to appear. This could be crucial, as placing it correctly ensures the flow of your message remains intact and enhances rather than distracts from your content. Now, let's find the perfect emoji. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to emojipedia.org, a comprehensive and user-friendly library of emojis. Once you're there, browse through the rich selection of emojis. You might choose an emoji that mirrors the tone of your message or adds a touch of flair. Once you've made your selection, click on it and copy it to your clipboard. Next, return to your Mailchimp tab and simply paste the emoji into the text field where your cursor is positioned. It's as simple as that, a small but impactful addition to your email campaign. Before you move on, it's wise to take a moment to preview your email. This step is crucial to ensure that the emoji appears correctly and maintains the email's visual appeal on both desktop and mobile devices. A broken or misaligned emoji could come off as unprofessional, so double-checking by previewing provides peace of mind and maintains quality control. And that's it! You've successfully added emojis to your Mailchimp campaign. These playful icons can significantly enhance your email by making it more visually appealing and relatable. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital communication. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.